Man, oh man, did I think I was a gangster when I got my BMW 6 Series. It had rims, it had the upgraded sound system. It was $220,000. It was a sexy car. I loved my BMW 6 Series. Ooh, did I look good in it? Ooh, did it drive nice? It was so nice. Such a nice, big piece of plastic mixed with metal, mixed with some logo that somebody told me is worth something that made me feel important. And I spent $250,000 on this car. Well, I've sold the car. Let me tell you why. If you're new here, it's time you subscribe. I'm going to change your life. I promise you. I don't know if it's this video. I don't know if it's the next video. But one of these videos will make you look at life completely differently. And it will change your entire life forever. I promise you. That is my mission in life. Number 2. My BMW was one of the sexiest BMWs, I reckon, in the whole state of Victoria, Australia. I loved it. And I sold it. What happened? I had a beach house. I had this car. As a male, I was 25 years old, thinking that I was living life. I was living the life. I was making money. I was spending money. I looked amazing in my car, in my sunglasses. But then Monday came around and I had to go back to a job. And for everybody, that's normal. That's just normal. You go to your job to pay for your nice things. But here's what I didn't understand. So I've bought this BMW, this nice piece of car, and I've driven it to work, and it stands there for 9 to 10 hours a day while I work for it. So then I can get into the car to drive it back home from work. You know, working for somebody else. You know, doing the thing that most people do their whole life, but they're like, oh, I guess it's a job, it's whatever. So I wasn't using the thing that I purchased. Was that real wealth? Was I selling my time for this BMW? This BMW is just a badge. Just some badge. It's not worth anything. Sure, a BMW might cost an extra $10,000 to $20,000 to make in a factory compared to a cheaper car. But they just sold me an identity, an image. I just want to look rich. Oh, I'm so wealthy. Look at me. You're not wealthy. You have to go back to a job, Andrew, to pay for this Fugazi wealth. The penny dropped for me. I looked around and I was like, no. That is not true wealth. True wealth is time. I've got time right now to speak to you, to potentially make a difference to you, so you don't make the same mistakes that I did. Trade years of your life. Build careers in jobs that you fucking hate. To build a status because you think that you can't do anything else but the job that you're in. To buy things that you don't need, and even if you need it, you can't use it because you're still working. I now don't need to work. All my businesses can crash tomorrow and I'm going to be okay for another decade. I could sleep on the couch and think about and meditate what I'm going to do for the next 10 years. I'm going to be all right. That's wealth. Wealth is being able to wake up any day and choose what you can do. At any point. I'm here with you now. Well, I'm in the past. You're here with me now. But I'm coming from the past to your present right now, and I appreciate you being here. Life Isn't it interesting? What's normalized is everybody selling their life for some items which don't really mean anything, aren't actually worth anything. And before you know it, blink of an eye, life has gone by. Your best years have done. You're no longer healthy. You're old. You've probably got some diseases, some problems with your bones, with your heart. God forbid you might not have cancer or have cancer or other horrible diseases which are caused by all the stress of the job that you've been doing, all the food that you've been eating which isn't good. Yes, best-selling book, I am the author. It's linked in there. Get it if you want to get responsible for your health. Everywhere. That's happening everywhere. Life is just happening. We're getting fatter, more unhealthier in jobs that we don't need. Our mental problems are increasing. We have caffeine and energy drinks to keep us going motivated throughout the day, and before we know it, it's all too late. We live a life of regret and we think, oh, what if something could have changed? I'm here to tell you to not make the same mistakes that I did. Don't make those. I sold my car. I didn't only sell the car, I sold every nice thing that I own. Every little nice thing that I own that I bought to fulfill something that I don't need. I went and built businesses. Now I can live this life where I've got wealth, I've got time, I can do whatever I want to do. I'm doing this because I want to do it. I'm not here because I need the money and oh my God, please follow me and please like me. I'm here because I genuinely want to make a difference to humanity, to humans. I want to raise the vibration of the conversation. You as a person have something in you. You have had a life experience. There's something in you that you've wanted to do. There's something in you that you've got a flavor about you. There's a uniqueness about you. I want that to shine. I want that to come through. And I want you to live your best life. And that doesn't involve buying BMWs or Mercedes or any one of those piece of shit fucking items which do nothing for you but just serve your ego and identity and make you feel special for one little bit. I know, the truth hurts. Be better. I'll see you in the next one.